Hey, so Morphe's been in the news lately, and I had a little palette of theirs that I haven't swatched yet, so I'm gonna do that now. Here we go. No, cat! Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I don't actually remember why Morphe was in the news, but I remember seeing a couple videos come out recently about them. Anyway, this palette was given to me by my friend Jackie back in 2022, I believe. And it's just a cute little coral, you know, orangey, browny palette. They do have names, but they're on the sheets here. So I'll just be talking to you about those. Most of them are mattes. And it's called, what is it called? Artistry palette? It might have, oh, ND? Painted Desert, sorry. I probably should have figured that out before I started recording this. Anyway, I'm going to go from the top left, like I usually do, and then down and across, or across and down. One of those. Anyway, here we go. Alright, so I tried to use some concealer to even out some of the discoloration on my arm, and I didn't do a very good job. So just ignore that. Hopefully it'll make the pigment show up really, really well. The first one is called Photo Op. What would you call that? A bronze? Copper? Let's say copper. Metallic. Pretty smooth. And I have worked with this before, so they're all pretty good shadows. And I've worked with Morphe in some bigger palettes as well. Actually, I have them swatched. This is called Vista? Vista? I'm going to call it Vista. It's a right in the middle kind of terracotta color. And then this one's called Overlook. Should be the deepest brown in here. It's kind of cool toned, honestly. Surprises me for a warm palette. The next one's called Bucket List. It may not show up. Oh, it does. Okay. It's a little warmer than my skin tone then. I'm usually light with cool undertones. The under part of my arm is a little more in the fair category. But this is pretty distinctive, so that's got to be a little bit darker than light, perhaps. It's going to look different on everybody. This is a very pretty warm red here. Very solid, opaque matte. This one should be as well. This one's called, I'm sorry, this one, the red one's called High Temp, and this one is called Horizon. These are very pretty sunset tones. They're very pigmented too, so the darker red, the red one and the reddy ones can stain. This next one looks amazing on my finger, and it is called Awestruck. Ooh, pretty. Really nice champagne metallic. It's not the most opaque I've ever seen, but that could be my finger. It may be a little more opaque on your eye. This one's called Scenic. It's another metallic. This is more of a bronzy, deeper color, whereas this, I guess, is more of a copper. Is that how that works? Really bad at metallics. And then the last one is called Panoramic. Oh, I thought that would pull brighter yellow. This is kind of more of a yellowy orange. It's like a school bus yellow, if anything. So really, the pops of color for the inner corner could be the champagne, maybe this color down here, because this was a lot darker than I thought, but it's a nice kind of rusty, sunsetty look. And thanks for watching this video. Go check out a whole bunch more that we have, and we will talk to you in the next one. Bye. Color for an inner corner or something. Oops, I don't want to use my Band-Aid finger. God, I hope the Band-Aid finger wasn't in this. Don't even start. Am I even in the shot? Okay, hopefully I am. Could I get this to work maybe? So, I'm gonna kick you out. Because you're not supposed to be doing this. And then this one's called This'n. Good boy! Good boy! Yeah, it's a good boy.